So we move as he moves, we build as he builds, because the project is his even in the first place. Akho noyedwa onelungelo lokuclaim credit. Noyedwa onelungelo lokuclaima i-credit. That's the reason why, according to the book of Acts, the Bible ithi yilo nalo yakade ethengisa lokho bekade kungokwakhe aye nakhe ebandleni afika lethe inzuzo yakho noma imali yakhona ayithulule ey'nyaweni zabapostoli, because akekho noyedwa onelungelo lokuclaima i-credit in this project. Can you quickly read Matthew chapter 9, verses number 38, if you don't mind? Can you read for me? 9:38, Matthew.
That's number 38. Therefore, pray the Lord of the harvest to send out laborers into his harvest.
So uzobona ke ne kunento engifuna ukuthi uyibheke la. Lithi iBhayibheli uJesu ukhuluma nabafundi bakhe uthi niyasibona isivande esikhulu kangakanani. Thandazani umnikazi wengadi. Thandazani the gardener. Uthi Jesu thandazani the gardener. So that kube gardener that brings in laborers. Now bamelana ngiyakusiza manje because we build, we move as he moves, and we build as he builds, because we cannot claim any credit. Akho noyedwa ngathi abona njengoba nibona iphakame kanje yimina, because ayikwazi ukuma engekho yena. So usethi Jesu thandazani umnikazi. John chapter 15, wena Pastor Tibambe lapho, wena malaza bambu John chapter 15. John chapter 15, verses number 1, ufunde nje, take your time. Now uJesu uthi thandazani umnikazi wegarden ukuthi alethe abasebenzi, because igarden inkulu. Usethi ke isivande sikhulu, so kubabakini ukuthi nibize nithandaze umnikazi the gardener. So you go pray to the gardener, the master builder, the project owner, and tell him to bring more laborers. So that's why kubalulekile bathande ake ngiyamsiza manje ku-critical ukuthi nibambe lento kulo nyaka wethu, ukuthi si-understandele ukuthi njengoba sizofaka izandla emsebenzini wokwakhe sifake izandla emsebenzini wokwakhe. I-project akusiyeka mfundisi, i-project akusingeyethu kodwa i-project ingeyakhe. So bheka la uthi thandazani umnikazi wegarden ukuthi alethe isebenzi, because umsebenzi mkhulu. Usethi thandazani. So uzorealize ukuthi singaba nenkinga uma kungenzeka kube nabantu abazoclaim i-credit in this project, because kunabantu abangaxoshwa unduly. Ngiyahlukumela. Singaba nenkinga uma kungaba nabantu abazoclaim i-credit kule project, because kungaba nabantu abangaba axed unduly, because sithethe i-project eyakhe sayenza eyethu. That's why it is imperative ukuthi sibheke ukuthi sakha kanjani omunye nomunye wakhayo, because kakade project akusingeyethu. Ungayenza noma ngabe kanjani, kodwa uma ngabe i-project ingasiyo yakho, you ought to be careful how you build. So Jesu uletheni into lana uthi thandazani umnikazi wesivande. Why kungangamuntu onelungelo lokuthi aclaim i-credit in this project? Awunayo i-right yoclaim i-credit kule project, because i-project akusingeyethu, i-project ingeyakhe. Bheka uthi thandazani umnikazi wegarden ukuthi enzenjani, alethe abasebenzi. Alright, now uJohn chapter 15 ulethe i-presentation yakamnikazi kagarden, but in a different format. Let's check. Read John chapter 15, verse number 1.
I am the true vine.
Now uthi Jesu, now mama uJesu uthi I am the master builder. Ujesu uthi I am introducing myself to you. Uthi I am the true vine. So it's critical ukuthi ni understand manje ngizipresenta mina ukuthi mina ngiyini, ngifuna ukuthi nazi ukuthi mina ngiyini, yabo. Now ungakhohlwa, there's two men that are praying in the room. Angisho yazi. So uJesu mekethi mina ngiyilokho ufuna ukusitshela ukuthi thina siyini. So he says I am the master builder. So mina ngiyisebenzi. I am the master builder, but you are the workers. Uthi mina ngumvino wona wona befathi.
I am the true vine.
Yeah.
And my father is the gardener.
Yabo usethi my father is the God. Lo kumele imthandazele ukuthi alethe isebenzi uthi uyena umnikazi wegarden. Yabo? Usethi mina ngumvini owona wona. Kodwa before nizazi ukuthi nina yini, yazini ukuthi ubaba umnikazi wengadi. Usethi ubaba umnikazi wengadi. Usethi mina umvini owona wona. Kahle it's critical to know ukuthi akekho noyedwa phakathi kwenu onelungelo lokuclaim credit because njengoba ningibona ngimila yini emzini. Mingabe kwenzeka ubonisa okay funda lapha.
I am the true vine, and my Father is the gardener. He cuts off every branch in me that bears no fruit.
Asandlalayinini la ukuthi mangabe selifunda kahle iBhayibheli lithi lonke igatsha negatsha elikimi, asikhulumi ngegatsha elisehlane la, asikhulumi ngegatsha elikude, sikhuluma ngegatsha elikuye. Usethi ubaba umnikazi wegadini so uyeza azongihlola a-check ukuthi kulamagatsha akini yiliphi elingasikhiqizi isithelo because nake ku-important ukuthi usho ukuthi kuwo wonke amagatsha kuye khona amagatsha angasikhiphi isithelo. So singaba nenkinga wena noma ngenzeka uyithola usuclaima i-credit in this project because ungayithola ususa amagatsha angatheli isithelo because ucabanga ukuthi umsebenzi wakho ukwathelisa isithelo. So akekho noyedwa ilungelo lokuclaim credit kule project. Isho ukuthi Jesu mina ngumvini sethi nani ngamagatsha. So ubaba umnikazi wegadini uyeza azo-check ukuthi yiliphi idwala nedwa negatsha khona kini. So kumini kusho ukuthi kuKristu Jesu kulamagatsha athela isithelo, kuba khona amagatsha angasitheli isithelo. I-problem yamagatsha angasitheli isithelo ukuthi basingavumela kube nabantu abaclaim i-credit in this building project. Singazithola sibhekane nenkinga ukuthi abantu bangahlunga amagatsha angatheli isithelo. Sinenkinga yabantu who are building uma ngabe yena ngakhi. Kunobungozi ukwakha yena ngekho because the person ophethe i-blueprint, umuntu ophethe i-blueprint noma ophethe i-plan yokwakha la uyena. That's the reason why athi ngiyayazi imicabangayo ngani. No study says it, I know the plans. So the owner, the person that carries the blueprint is him. That's why akekho noyedwa onelungelo lokuthi aqale ukusebenza bangabe yena engasebenzi. Sisebenza as long as sisebenza, simuva as long as move. Uma ngabe yena engamuvi asimuvi, we move as he moves and we build as he builds. Meaning uma ngabe yena engasebenzi asisebenzi, asikwazi ukuthola ujulile usebenze engasebenzi. Njengobona kune-chaos in the church is because kunabantu who have gotten to a place where they are taking ownership of the church. They didn't even die for the church, but they are owning the church. They are taking ownership of the church, but the church is theirs. It is because they are claiming a credit in the project they don't belong to. Awukwazi ukuclaim i-project kulo msebenzi wokwakha ngoba the project akusiyo muntu yeah. Okay. Yaba? Usethi uJesu. Mamela labathandekayo. Isizathu esenza ukuthi singavumeli abantu ukuthi baclaim i-project, baclaim i-credit khahani kulento. It's because uJesu othe thandazana ubaba ukuthi alethe isebenzi. Funeke nazi khahani. Kunomunye umuntu osazohlala phambi kwakhe, usathi uhlele phambi kwakhe uzwe ukuthi ukhuphuka ivumba lebranti. It is not your cause, it is not your responsibility to shut them off. Kunabantu sithandazile and inkosi mangabe ilethe meeting yayo ibamba kwasani. You cannot claim credit because you can find yourself tapping amagatsha kama ukuthi wasikhiphizise. Benkinga lokho. Abantu befuna ukuyithola becheck amagatsha. Bayabuza ukuthi ngibenzani abantu bese bathi wasikhiphizise. But uJesu ngiyamthanda manje izintroduce. uJesu manje izintroduce uthi mina uthi uJesu the project is mine. Uthi yours Peter is to establish a revelation. Okwakho Peter ukuthola isample. Mine is to build. Yiloyo naloyo kimi. Akusi responsibility kamuntu. Ukumsusa ukhona ugardener lo imthandazile ukuthi akalethe isebenzi uyena ozoyicheckela ukuthi isebenzi isebenza kahle yini uyena futhi ozozinikeza icredit ukuthi wena ngena enkosini yakho uthokoze nawe nathu ngeke akusiwa umuntu because no one has got a right to claim any credit in this project. Can claim credit in this project. So siyathandaza ukuthi ubaba akaletheni isebenzi ngoba umsebenzi mkhulu. Ukuthi ubande kahlekheleze emsebenzini is not for you to chop them off. Okay, I'm not there. In actual fact, I'm not there. I'm just answering the question why no one has a right to claim any credit in this project. Because number one, Jesus is saying the project is mine. We are just attachments. Makayibeka kahle uPaul uthi we are laborers together with him. Siyisebenzi kanye kanye naye. Kusho ukuthi yena mangabe ngasebenzi nathi asisebenzi. So, mara kunento ayibalayo la uJesu mikachaza lento. Uletha i-building project but in a form of a vine. Uthi uletha i-building project but in a form of a vine. Uthi mina ngumvini. Bese ethi hayi noma ngabe unjani. Wona. Let's read.
I am the true vine, and my Father is the gardener. Number 2. He cuts off every branch in me that bears no fruit.
So umsebenzi kababa ukukhatha ibranch nebranch kuJesu, meaning kuJesu kunamagatsha angasithelise. That's why amongst the disciples of Jesus, kwatholakala kunendoda emphilayo uJesu. Amongst the disciples of Jesus, kwatholakala kunamadoda ambalekelayo uJesu. Amongst the disciples of Jesus, kwatholakala kunendoda emthengisayo uJesu. Akusiwumsebenzi kamuntu. It is not Peter's work to go confront Judas Iscariot, but the gardener. Ubaba uyeza ngesikhathi sakhe, ahambe ngasegadinini. Bekefika khala athi Adam, ukuphi? Because umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi masiqala zithi ngaseyinkathini azehlele yena uqobo lwakhe, azihambahambele ngasegadinini. Kusho yena ukuthi Adam ukuphi? It is nobody's responsibility to start to chop off every branch because of what reason they are not bearing up fruit. What is your responsibility kababa? Ukwehla wena uqobo lwakhe uyazenzela lento. Madoda ngathi bengingangiswa. That's why uMose makaqeda ukuvusa iTabernacle lokuhlangana lithi kwehla ifu lahlala phezu kwethende. Inkazimulo kaNkulunkulu yagcwalisa ithende. We call the glory the Shekinah glory. Bese lithi abapristi bahluleka ukungena bayefeza iy'nkonzo zabo za-everyday. Why? Because God is in charge. Makazehlele uqobo lwakhe uyazenzela.
Oh, yes. My God.
Sinaleyo nkinga ukuthi sinoNkulunkulu ozenzelayo. Ethi meke efuna ukuzenzela uNkulunkulu bese kuba khona abenzayo. Athi uJob meke ethandazela oZofar noBildad athi ningamkhulumeli uNkulunkulu. Ubuhlungu baleva liziwa yimi. Kungenzeka manje ngibuka ngamehlweni ngifana nendoda ecwilayo ezonweni, and you take that as the reason why uNkulunkulu engishaya ngalezi ishaya. But I am here to say Job chapter 13 from verses number 8. Uthi ngiyanixwayisa ningamkhulumeli uNkulunkulu. I-pain of laleliva liziwa yimi la ngikhona khona hayi ngoba ngihizwa. No one has got a right to claim any credit in this project.
He cuts off every branch in me that bears no fruit. While every branch that does bear fruit, prunes.
Asivumelaneni ukuthi kuJesu kutholakala amagatsha angasitheli isithelo kube iphinde kutholakala amanye asithelayo isithelo. Bese ethi make uGardner make efike ezo-check la wonke amadwala amagatsha athola ukuthi asitheli isithelo uthi uyawahlunga ukuthi athele kakhulu. Kodwa lokho akukususa etafuleni ukuthi la kuJesu kukhona amadwala angasitheli isithelo. So, singaba nenkinga uma singavumela ukuthi abantu sithi sesazi ukuthi ubani umaster builder, uJesu is introduced as the master builder. Bese siyabavumela ukuthi bathathe credit in this project because the project is not theirs. Now check this, read.
He cuts off every branch in me that bears no fruit. While every branch that does bear fruit, he prunes so that it will be more fruitful. Verse 3. You are already thin because of the way I spoke.
Asilungise leyo part. Asilungise leyo part. Asilungiseni leyo part. Verse number 3. Do that again.
Verse number 3. You are already clean because of the way I have spoken to you. Verse 4. Remain in me, and I will remain in you.
Now uJesu sethe ningasuki kimi. Uthi ninganhlanziwe ngenxa yamazwi engiwakhulume kimi. Most of the Chinese translation ithi you have been made pure because of the word, not words. Ubani uphethe translation right? Uphethe iBhayibheli right ubani? Ubani uphethe iBhayibheli right? Uphethe iBhayibheli right? Akafundi iBhayibheli lakhe le right. That you have been made clean because of the word that I have spoken to you. Says you have been made clean. Now listen to this. Yizwi la kulo nyaka wezwi. It is imperative to understand ukuthi sisemsebenzi sithewukele siyisebenzi kwi-project yakhe yokwakha. Ngaleso sizathu akekho noyedwa onolungelo lokuclaim i-credit kule project yokwakha ngoba i-project akade ingeyakhe. Ngaleso sizathu uyena odeterminayo uthi nina nihlanziwe ngamazwi engiwakhulumekile. Lelo liyeke Malaza ngifuna ufundele lami lisho kanjani. Lelo kubeka ufunde la bathi ufunda khona.
Verse number 3. You are already clean because of the way I have spoken to you. Verse 4. Remain in me, and I will remain in you. No branch can bear fruit by itself.
Asivumelaneni ukuthi i-project kahle kahle akuyona yomuntu, i-project ingeyakhe. So meaning akusumsebenzi wenu. This is not just your work. It is my responsibility. Just remain in me. Ningatholakala kimi, tholakalani kimi. Because alikho nelodwa igatsha elikimi elingatholakala likhiqiza ithelo uma ngabe lingekho kimi. So alikho nelodwa igatsha elitholakala likimi likhiqiza ithelo lingekho kimi. Meaning ayikho neyodwa into oyenzayo ukuze ukwazi ukukhiqiza ama results. You can't claim it. You can't say, you can't pray like that guy that was praying. Athi Nkosi ngiyabonga ukuthi ngiyafasa ngiyathandaza ngiyatitha angifani. You can't claim it because you have been made clean not because of your own efforts. You have been made clean because of the words that is spoken. Ungakhohlwa itwala no so it is because of the words that he spoke that you are clean. Ayikho neyodwa into ongayiclaim. Amakhulu abantu abasazabalaza la mawubona ngazothi right okwamanje yazi ukuthi it is none of your efforts. Akuwona umsebenzi wakho.
Amen.
Bese athi
Remain in me, and I will remain in you. No branch can bear fruit by itself.
yeah.
It must remain in the vine.
Yes.
Neither can you bear fruit unless you remain in me.
Now bathandekayo mamelanda. Sit down, man of God. Uzophinda sifunde. Listen to this bathandekayo. Alikho nelodwa idwala engakwazi ukuthi liyikhicizele ithelo. Uthi make eqhubeka la uJesu uthi for we thought we can do nothing. Uthi uJesu ngaphandle kwami ningenzela lutho. So meaning ayikho neyodwa into ongayiclaim athuli. Because ngaphandle kwakho ngenze lutho. It's the reason why ke labazana bekade bethengisa impahla yabo bathatha imali bayilethe einyaweni zabapostoli because bekade bangaclaim anything bekade becabanga ukuthi ngeyabo bayibiza ukuthi ngeyabo. Azi nje ngikushaya ngento ezokusiza even lapha ngaphandle lapha na ku marketplace. You know yini into ekwenza ukuthi ube bitter emsebenzini? Nabangeza manje kuwe Khahani emsebenzini befike bethi Khahani you are no longer chief administrator kule post. Siyakususa manje we are dropping it down. You are now going to be a normal operator. You know bese bathi kuwe we are not going to touch your money. We are not deducting your money. Sikhulume nabo HR sisimama. Bese bathi asithathe imali yakho. Kodwa si drop i-post, i-position siyashintsha. Into yenza ukuthi ube bitter. Impilo yakho is not going to change. Abantwana bakho ngeke baphume varsity, you still going to be able to pay for them. I-petrol yakho kusuzoba yile petrol ibhadalayo ngenyanga. Into ekwenza ukuthi ube bitter entitlement. Ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi i-position bekwe yakho. Imali yanganyakasa. Kodwa into ekwenza ube bitter. I-entitlement. You claim credit. That's why namhlanje sinenkinga thina sisebenza emafemini sisikusize manje. Kunabantu engikuyithinta i-forklift yakhe. Mele ishile ngeyakhe nje. Mayigibela iyaphuka. Mele ngekho seNatali uzozabuye eNatali. makufika yena iyasebenza kodwa nemali ngakho akayisebenzi. Inkinga akusiyindaba abayithola noma inzuzo yakhona, i-problem i-entitlement. Bafuna ukwazi why kune-commotion ne-bitterness at-church ukuthi abantu bayi-entitled, bacabanga ukuthi bayinto ey'hono nezabo iy'khwela. Manje funeke nazi ukuthi kahle kahle i-project ingekabani, because lokho kuzo-clarify i-position yethu gogo. Sizokwazi ukuthi kahle kahle la siyisebenzi, i-project ingeyakhe. Njengoba sihluthulana sodwa nje, silwa sisodwa nje, ukuthi kunabantu who are claiming a certain credit, and you cannot afford to claim a credit in this project because the project is his. Ingeyakhe i-project. Abantu ba-entitled, izinto bayibiza ngezabo. Sonyakeni wezwe, and lona lezwe leli lidwa no. That's why lesixoxe nje nge-family. That's why ku-critical ukuthi sazi thina nje la emandleni mhlawumbe simphiwe nogogo because I've tasked them to do that. Singayibandla elinenkinga mangabe singazi ukuthi ubani bekade khona enkonzweni Sunday. The reason why uthola abantu bephuma amarema beza la bezokhonza nathi, besuke emarema basuke emarema bezokhonza nathi, badrive bohahani bandlula amarema all the way from beze la bezothandazela. It's because i-problem indaba yokuthi lapho bekhona khona akekho babonayo, akekho futhi obaziyo. So i-problem enkulu ukuthi kungisiza ngani ukufellowshipa nalabantu abantu abangazi. So ngaba inkinga ukuthi sithi sikhona la Sunday bese mesihamba la asazi ukuthi ubani bekhona enkonzweni. We don't know ubani bekade ngekho enkonzweni, except for the people that kumele akamenyezela ukuthi bacela ukuthi siba excuse ngoba bezobesebenza. We need to have ngacela abazwana abayithu laba bathi ngicela ukuthi ngisizeni, we need to start scanning this environment. We need to scan this environment. Funeka besingena siscan. We need to have ushers that have got an eye. Ama-ushers othi nebingelela abantu abone ukuthi namhlanje zange simbingelele umzwana sambingelela kulefikile. And that has got to be if sisemsebenzini siyakwakha, sisemsebenzini wokwakha, sisemsebenzini wokwakha and siyazi ukuthi i-project akusiye yethu eyakhe. Imamelana abathandekayo. Yabo uma uhamba ngemoto yakho, uhamba noma kanjani. Mara uma uhamba ngemoto yomunye umuntu, ayikho into ongayibheki. Uyaqaphela nanokuthi washintsha nini amagiya. Because akuyona yakho. U-Elisha wathatha ithimba lakhe bahamba bayoqanda inkuni. Bebasaqanda inkuni lithi inhloko yembazi yawela emanzini. Into ekadistressa leya ndoda ikhala igijima ku-Elisha iyo-report ukuthi inhloko yembazi wele emanzini. Kwakungasi indaba yokuwela, kwakuyindaba yokuthi akusiyo eyakhe. We cannot afford ukusuka kuleli hlane sibuyele emuva inhloko yembazi ngekho, because i-project akusiyo eyethu. We cannot claim credit. Yabo mangabe kade kungeyethu bese ngathi asibonile sizoyibona mhlanza amanzi ayehlayo, kodwa we can't afford to go back ingekho because i-project. uJesu uzintroduce as the master builder, uthi iproject eyami besethi mangakha mina ngakhela ukuthi amasango esihoka angalidluli. Jesu usho njalo. Nginganivumela nani nizakhele. Kodwa njengoba ngila kule bandla ngiye ngachecka la eBethlehem Juda ngathi ukuthi akhona amanye amasonto. Makhona amanye amabandla. Kunamasinagoga amaningi. Khona la ngake ngaya khona ngathi mangena banginikeza incwadi kaIsaya. Mengiyifunda yathi meyikhuluma nami umoya kaNkulunkulu phezulu kwami inkosi ingcobile. Bakhuluma bebodwa bathi usho kanjani ukuthi ugcotshwe uNkulunkulu ngoba siyamazi lo. Ubabakhe umqandi wamaplanga ngale. So how can he come and claim ukuthi umoya kaNkulunkulu phezulu kwakhe? Uthi ngiwabonile amasonto aseBethlehem Juda. Ngiskene environment ngarealize ukuthi kunamasonto weinhlobo ngeinhlobo. I have come to a place la khona now I'm going to build my church. This one ethi ngizokwakha ibandla lami because already amabandla khona. But now I'm going to build my church, and the church that I'm going to build, amasango esoko kufuneka ngalahluki. So critical bathanda ukuthi ngisho lento ukuthi akwazi ukuclaim credit kulento because lento ayakhiwa uwe. Lento izoma sowungasekho so wafa kudala izoma lento. Lento le izoma that's why lapha kami ngiyabatshela mina ngithi mina you are church members. You are church members, you cannot claim. Angikwazi ngayo sonto nithi yesonto lasekhaya obabethu umfundisi. You can't go there and claim that. Nasonto lasekhaya la because lento izoma babakho sekudala washo na izoma lento. Usaze pastorisha abafundisi angeke bazi nokwazi ukuthi kodwa umkhutho kade kubani. Ngothatha ukuthi bahlalise phansi beke baxoxele saze mama daughter ngoba izoma lento. Emeswa yini lento? It's because a project kade akuyona yomuntu kodwa lento. Just cabanga angakasho next. Ngisachaza nje ukuthi why kunganamuntu onelungelo lokuclaim. It's because sithandazela ukuthi uNkulunkulu makalethi isebenzi. Unfortunately isebenzi ayilethayo kukhona ezinye engamagatsha angakhiqiza isithelo. Kodwa umsebenzi mningi. No responsibility ukuchoppa off amagatsha angakhiqiza isithelo. Uthethandazana ubaba wesivanda athumele abasebenzi. Nina kathi nina ngabasebenzi kule project. Sebenzeni ukukhala kulo mnikazi wegardener. Uthi ke mina ngumvino ongowona wona. Ubaba is the gardener. Lo ngangithi ngithandaze ukuthi uyena ugardener. So lethana thandazani kubaba lethe isebenzi. Sekuneyisebenzi eningi uNkulunkulu ayiletha. Kunesikhathi la khona khona uzohlala phansi ngomuntu onikeze onuka ibrand. Lokuthi ubaba makalethe ini isebenzi ngoba isivande sinjani sikhulu. You might not know ukuthi kunomuntu uNkulunkulu azomletha ozonuka ngazothi una 3 days angawathinta amanzi. Kanti uNkulunkulu umletha for his breakthrough. After 3 Sundays attend kule bandla, assign the biggest tender of his life and become the reason why your life took an absolute turn off. Kanti mamdlalo sewambheka kanje wathi Nomela labathandeka sengiyavala soqedela ngenina ngoba angakasho lutho. Wake wathi ukwazi ukukhuluma kahle. Wathi ungayibhampeli indoda yakufundisa ukugusha. Uyibhampele ngoba ucabanga ukuthi wena usuwumpetha. Ngoba njengoba usuwumpetha kule level okuyo ungakhohlwa ukuthi nesize yamagagasi ayilingani. Yeah. Manje kunendoda ekwazi ukuthi ihambe pheko. Ihlale nje pheko, ihlale phekwe kweyivu. Ingazi ungayibhampeli indoda ekuyiyona yakufundisa. You can't claim it. It's not yours. When I was walking upon the seas, it's because Jesus said to me, come. It's not because I could do it. No branch that is in him that will bear a fruit except it be in him. So nonke la ebandleni ngamagatsha. Makusakuhambela kahle wena. ukhiqiza iy'thelo. Ngababukeli phansi okungakabahambeli kahle. Amara mfundisi bafunani abantu? Sithandazeni. Inkosi yesivande ukuthi ithumele isebenzi. Therefore, it's not yours to decide who stays and who goes. Paul make ekhuluma lento uthi last scripture for today bese siyahamba. Make ekhuluma Paul lento uthi Ephesians chapter 2 verse 9. Can you read that bese siyahamba? Ephesians chapter 2 verses number 9. Ukhona umuntu osizakalayo? Can you read? 2 Ephesians abase first chapter 2 verses number 9.
Not of works, this enemy should boast.
So hayi ngemisebenzini ayengenzeni ikhwepha ukuze kungabikho umuntu noyedwa phakathi kwenu ozobhosta. Okay, let's read verses number 8 and 9 Pastor Khan.
For by grace are ye saved through faith.
Yile nto le athi uJesu nina nihlanziwe nina ngamazwi ongakhulumekini. Nobody has done anything, no effort has been put, but nina you are cleansed, you are qualified. You were disqualified, but I qualify you because of the words I've spoken to you. Uthi, that was not the works of efforts, but that was the work of grace. Isizathu sokuthi kube umsebenzi womusa hayi umsebenzi weyikhwepha. It is so that no one amongst you can claim any credit. So kanjalo na. It is so that none amongst you may boast. Njengoba nginhlanza ngamazwi ongakhuluma kini. Umsebenzi womusa. Sekuzoba kumnikazi wegadeni ukuthi makabuye kusihlwa azocheck ukuthi yiziphi ezichamisela yiziphi engachamisi. Bese athi read.
And that not of yourselves is the gift of God.
Yes.
Not of works, lest any man should boast.
Hayi ngemisebenzeni ukuze kungabi khona oyedwa umuntu ozobhosta lapha read.
For we are his workmanship.
Bese ethi ke thina siyisebenzi naye. So kusho ukuthi uma ngabe akasebenza sisebenzi. Into esenza ukuthi singaclaim credit. It is because thina we are his workmanship. Meaning siyizisebenzi kanye naye. Makangasebenzi umnikazi weproject asisebenzi. Now, lento ke hahani imisidanse. Lento yasi up ke Pastor T. Isithatha kulento yokuthi a person needs to give themselves before you get your hands dirty in this project. So qala lapho next week. Before ungcolisa izandla zakho kule project. Ujuluka ubumanzi into umemeza ubiza abantu uthi wozani nizobona ukuthi ngisebenza kangakanani. Yazi ukuthi it is the credit doesn't come because of works. Before ungcolisa izandla zakho kule project. Because it's set up it is such that no one can boast. No one claims any credit in this project. Number one, the project is his. Number two, tina we are his workmanship. Siyisebenzi kanye naye kule building project. Meaning siyasebenza makasebenza mangasebenza sisebenzi. Meaning all glory, all praise must go to him. Number two, uthi isizathu ukuthi no one may boast. Isiletha kule nto ukuthi before you get your hands dirty, you give yourself first to the Lord. City, you give yourself first to the Lord. We don't mean promises and uthatha uJesu. Any dimension le. Sisho sebaqedile upromises and abathatha uJesu asebazosebenza manje kule project. The first thing you do, you give yourself first to the Lord. If ungazinikela wena qala, message give yourself first to the Lord. Ngichazile ngisho sengisho yini nishadile ukuthi ningayisebenzisi leyo nto as a claim yokuthi uthi Habi, before you got first, I sit to give yourself first to the Lord. I see leyo nto leyo. uNkulunkulu usa-respecta i-principle ne-order yomshado. Usanikeza umshado the loudest voice ever. Sikuvezile lo. ukuthi umshado uNkulunkulu usawuqualify unikeze i-voice eloud ukudlula wonke amanye ama-voice, meaning the voice of marriage is the loudest. Meaning noma uNkulunkulu awuNkulunkulu, usasho uNkulunkulu ukuthi wena Abraham mamela umfazi wakho. uNkulunkulu usasho noma yena uNkulunkulu usasho ukuthi angiyithandi into yokuthi nixoshe umntwana nomama wakhe bahambe baye ehlane laseBerisheba, kodwa ngoba i-voice yomshado i-louder than any voice, wena Abraham mamela umfazi wakho. So lento leyo ukuthi you give yourself first ichazile ukuthi ayisho ukuthi sengisho nini nishadile bomama nithi ya ngizoya entambama kulo mthandazo uthanda ungathandi because before you got first. Ayisho kanjalo. Mayingathi indoda yakho awuyi kulo mthandazo awuya futhi. Mangabe bawathi ufuna ukudaza inkani uziyele seyithe indoda yakho awuyi. Kusho ukuthi bekumele uyenze before ushada ngoba uma ungashadanga unayo yonke intando, kodwa mhlambe awashadayo awusanayo intando because umzimba wakho akusiyona wakho anymore, usungawale ndoda iyadetermine ukuthi uyaphi awuyi kuphi. So you cannot therefore say masikhuluma ngale part you give yourself first bese uthi ya umfundisi ushilo wathi give yourself first, so ngiyaya kulo mthandazo thanda ungathandi ngeke umtshelele ukuthi mina before you got first. Ngekuba leyo kwaba kukhulu ukuthula ngoba bayifuni leyo part. Nyaya ngeke ungitshele next nyaya phela ungakhohlwa before you got first. Saka dibombo asize kahle, asize nayo kahle lento. When you say give yourself first to the Lord, uNkulunkulu usayirespecta i-order yomshado la khona the loudest voice is the voice of marriage. Mangathi unkosikazi wakho umxoshe lo or kuyenzeka uvela umntwana ngaphandle ngephutha bese athi unkosikazi wakho ungamondli lo mntwana. Uyathanda uthandi noma ungasikwa ngazini into abathi yanisika noma ingakufika awumondli lo mntwana. Because the loudest voice that God has given is the voice of marriage. So masithi you give yourself first to the Lord, asisho ukuthi you are saying nizoya noma sekungayiwa baba uyangitshela ungitshela imiyaya akushiwo leyo. Masithi you give yourself first, meaning before you get your hands dirty for this project you surrender yourself as an offering to God. Meaning thina sonke sispendwa uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu usikhipha kanje esikhwameni. Mangabe kunesidingo somewhere uspenda njengamanzi. Thina sonke la uyasispenda nje. Masithi you give yourself first to the Lord, meaning you are an offering to the success of this project. Meaning God is spending you. Uthi kushoda ini, kushoda isimeni uthatha wena Thabisa athi ngiyaspenda into the project. Now makuvale ibusiness yesimeni athi kushoda ini bethi kushoda amanzi athi athathe impumi athi impumi ngispenda wena manje athi kushoda athi bathi kushoda ama whatever athi uNkulunkulu ngithatha wena manje ngiyakuspenda manje bethi God is message you give yourself first to the Lord. Afithi uthi uyayasengaliyo but usithi surrender for the success of this project and sebenzise uNkulunkulu spending like that. For the success of the project. Spenda mina. Sikhathi anginaso. Kodwa mara ngekho lo yamuntu. Thatha mina. Sikhathi anginaso. Kodwa mara ngekho yosanela. Thatha mina. Masithi you give yourself first. We are saying before you get your hands dirty, makale usarende wena.
Oh, Jesus. My God.
Uthini mfundisi? We move as he moves. We build as he builds. Makangahambi ubukhona bakho ungehambi nathi ungasithukusi. Uma ngabe wena ungakhi abayakhayo lendlu bayakhela ise. We move as he moves. We build as he builds. Let's bow our heads. Let's bow our heads.